Thermal expansion. So what is thermal expansion? It is a increase in size of your body when heat is applied. So when it is heated, any body is heated. So when any body is heated, what will happen? The size of the body is changes, increases, is called as a expansion, means increases. So increase in size of the body when the body is heated is called thermal expansion. There are the three types of thermal expansions in solids: linear expansion, superficial expansion, and cubical expansion. Linear expansion means if the size of the body is increased in length is called as a linear expansion. When the heat is applied, if the size, the area of the body is increases, means that is a superficial expansion. When the whole volume of the body is increases, means that is called cubical expansion. Linear expansion is represented as alpha, superficial expansion is represented as beta, and cubical expansion is represented as gamma. First of all, you have one doubt. Why the solids are expanded? Why it is expanded, not at all contracted? So what is the reason for this? So the cause of expansion in solids. Initially, the solids are making a strong tight bonds compared with the liquid and gases. The atoms and molecules in the solids are very closer to each other. There will be an interatomic space between the atoms. So atoms or molecules correspondingly. Now, when the heat is applied to the solids, what will happen? The molecules or atoms are vibrating. Because of the increase in temperature or increase in heat, the amplitude of the vibration of the atoms and molecules are increased in further manner. Then what will happen? Due to this high vibration, the intermolecule space between the atoms, interatomic space means what is that? Intermolecular space means the space between the two atoms or two molecules are also increases. Hence, correspondingly, the size of the body is also increases by lengthwise or area wise or volume wise. So this is the reason for cause of expansion in solids. Due to the heat supplied, there will be a vibrations. Due to this vibration, the interatomic space or intermolecular space is increases. Correspondingly, average size of the body is also increased in small manner. So what is this? Alpha is a linear expansion, coefficient of linear expansion. Beta is a coefficient of superficial expansion. Gamma is a coefficient of cubical expansion. So L is a original length of the given rod, solid rod. When it is heated, the length is increased to L dash. So the difference, final length minus original length is a change in length. So the increase in length divided by original length into rise in temperature. So before the rod is going to expand, there will be some temperature. So when the heat is applied, how much heat is absorbed? That is the increase in temperature. So increase in length by original length into increase in temperature is a coefficient of linear expansion. Coefficient of superficial expansion is increase in surface area by original surface area into increase in temperature. This increase in temperature means the temperature difference between the final, that is after giving the temperature, this is the original temperature. So that is before heating there will be a temperature for the particular body, then after heating there will be a temperature for that same body. So the difference in temperature is an increase in temperature. Due to this increase in temperature only the expansion take place. So this is the coefficient of cubical expansion, that is increase in volume by original volume into increase in temperature. So lengthwise, area wise and volume. So the unit of this coefficient of expansion in general is degree Celsius per -1 or Kelvin power -1, because this is a surface, this is a surface, unit get cancelled, only the increase in temperature only available for both length and volume also. So what is the relation between these alpha, beta and gamma? Means alpha by 1 is equal to beta by 2, which is equal to gamma by 3. So very simple students, whenever the heat is applied, the size of the body increases. This is called as expansion. This expansion may be a lengthwise, area-wise and volume-wise. That is called as alpha, beta and gamma. This increases because of the increase in interatomic space. So we have the equation for coefficient of expansions. Then the relation is alpha by 1 is equal to beta by 2 is equal to gamma by 3. Then the application, practical applications of thermal expansions are: a small gap is left between the iron rails of the railway. So in the railway track there is a small gap is given because due to the sunny days, the hot temperature of the sun, the railway tracks iron will be expand. So we have to give a space for this expansion. Even we can see the space left between the graders used in the supporting bridges. In the bridges also we can note down. Similarly, the clock pendulums are made up of invar because invar is a alloy. It is an extremely small temperature coefficient of expansion. So the length of the invar pendulum does not change. If the length increases means the time period also increases. So we have to use the invar material for the simple clock pendulums. Even a glass stopper jammed in a neck of the glass bottle, so can be removed by warming the neck of the bottle. If the bottle can be heated means what will happen? The glass will be expanded, then cork will be come out or coming removed. So these are all the practical applications of thermal expansion.